Ujima, which is collective work and responsibility, is to build and maintain our community together, to make our brothers' problems our problems. Um, that is when you can help other people. You know, you help your sisters and brothers if you can in any kind of way.
I have never been a person who expels members. If a member is called in the fault or has a problem, I don't even bother about carrying them to the church. I've gotten through training and counseling. I meet with a person, work with a person. If a person has a problem, they need the church more. And then if you put them out of the church, where's the person going? I have found that in my experience that people have responded to the help that the church has offered. So I don't turn people out of the church.
I always felt safe in Pondexter Village. My mother always felt safe, and she had a love for that place. The safety that I felt there was because of the love from people whose name I didn't know, who greeted me and made sure that when I walked home from school that I was safe, and they were looking out their windows and making sure that that the people who were there had hope. Even though the circumstances were not the best, people walked out and you saw people with smiles on their faces. They were hopeful that this was going to be the best day. And they tried to do that by making it a better day.